I think you have already the syllabus. This one is the syllabus for you. I think there is someone who is traveling and listening this lecture. So please mute your mics. Thank you. This is the syllabus for your PhD coursework. And as we have decided, I am going to discuss with you the MS Word 2007 or MS Word. So MS Word is a word processor. Means it can process the Word documents. Word processor is a type of computer program that is used to create a variety of documents. By using this word processor, we can create various types of documents. That is letters, newsletters, then flyers. Okay, that kind of documents can be created with very easily. Then word processing applications display text on computer screen and allows user to easily add, remove, and change the style, size, and placement of text in a document. That means this is a software or program by using which we can easily create the document, and it is very easy to the creator, to the document creator, to place text, to change its size, edit that text, correct it, etc. That can be easily done. For that purpose, this word processor softwares are developed, and one of the example of that word processor is what? The Microsoft Word Office 2007. Okay, so this is the word processor. Finally, or actually, this Microsoft Office is a word processor. Got it? Then what can we do with word processing? So we can type the document or create the document. As I have told you, edit the document means the existing document, we can find the errors and correct it. That is called editing. Then insert the objects like shapes, images, pictures, graphs that can be easily inserted into your document. Then cut, copy, and paste options are there to cut, which is unnecessary text in your document, that can be cut. Copy, it will make a copy. It will create an image of that text. Okay. And paste option is for pasting. That means to make the copy of that selected text or line or word. Then delete is also there. Such features are there. And then text formatting can be done. That is deciding font type, then font size, font color, that can be changed as per our requirement. Then making bold, italic, and underline. Such features can be applied to the text or lines or paragraphs. Then inserting bullets, justifying the paragraphs. Justifying means left justification, right and center alignment. That is alignment. Justifying means alignment. Okay. Then tabs, charts, diagrams that can be inserted. Spelling check. Then changing the background of the document as per our requirement. That can be in the form of colors. Then replacing word. It is a very magical feature provided by MS Word processor. That is used to change or replace the words in a document. In a one click, we can replace all that words with a new word. Okay. Then selecting the text, line of paragraph, etc. can be selecting, and creating flow diagrams. That is data flow diagram, then or any other diagrams can be also created. That the required components for that diagram are also provided. in the form of objects or components that can be used to create the graphs and diagrams or data flow diagrams. So that such processing, data processing or word processing can be done with the help of Microsoft Word. Okay. Also, I have discussed with you how to open the MS Word, Microsoft Word in the last session. I hope all you know how to open Microsoft Office. Is it needed to repeat? Is it needful to repeat how to open Microsoft Office?
No, sir, no problem.
Yes, thank you. Then, as we have discussed and as you know, that you can open Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word document, and once you open the Microsoft Office Word document, it will open a home screen of Microsoft Office, with which we have to get familiar. We must know every component present on this screen, and that is this one. You can see here. I hope now you can see clearly. This is the home screen of Office, Microsoft Office 2007. Okay. So if we look at the top side of this screen of this image, you will see a quick access bar. Quick access bar, this one. My mouse cursor, this one is going on that component, this one, which contains the save, undo, redo options, okay, which is called what? Quick access bar. That is called what? Quick access bar. Why it is called a quick access bar? Because we will get some quick actions, quick commands with this access bar. Okay. What are these? Save option or save command is quickly find here, or you can see the mouse pointer, that is arrow mouse pointer at the topmost left corner of my screen, my laptop screen here. Okay, this is the save button. This is a quick access bar option. This is a undo. This is a redo, and its options are there. Now it is inactive in state. Now it is in inactive state, and one more option, that is print. As this is the screen of Microsoft Word 2010, my laptop is showing you the screen of Office 2010. That's why this print option is there. But if you look at this image, that option is not present here, print option. That can be added later on by customizing the quick access toolbar here. This is the customizing button, from where you can add these commands or options to this quick access bar. If we click on open, that will be again added into the quick access bar. Got it? Anyone? Any question about quick access bar? Okay, that means we can easily add the options or commands to the quick access bar by clicking on the option or command provided or button provided here, that is custom quick access toolbar button, that is a line, small line, and arrow indicating downward. That button is helping us to add the commands to this quick access bar. Okay, so this is about the quick access bar. What is the purpose of quick access bar? The name itself indicating that it is quickly accessing the some commands, that is save, print, undo, redo, etc., or new file, which is just I have added. Okay, then Office logo of Microsoft Office in the opening screen of Microsoft Office 2007 is there. This one, this is Office logo. But in case of Office 2010, it is not showing there. Little bit changes are there. Then a title bar is there. A title bar is there. Okay. The title bar is showing the name of documents, which is at the top side, middle top side of the screen or image. This is the image and this is my screen. Microsoft Word 2007 made easy compatibility mode. Microsoft Word product activation failed. This is the name of my document, which is showing here. Okay, because this version is not activated till now. That's why it is showing in the bracket one. Otherwise, it will show the proper name, that is, whatever the name you have assigned to that document will be shown in the title bar. What is the use of title bar? To indicate or to show the opened document name. तुम्ही जे डॉक्युमेंट ओपन केलेलं आहे त्या डॉक्युमेंटचं नाव हे टायटल बार मध्ये वरच्या साईडला सतत दिसत राहतं. त्या कारणासाठी ते मीन्स वी विल अंडरस्टँड, वी विल नो which document is opened. Okay. Then next component on this opening screen of Microsoft Word Office 2007 is tabs. This one. There are total 8 tabs present here. That are Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Reviews, View, and Mathematics. Okay. Or in case of Office 2007, you can see File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Reviews, and View. Such 8 tabs are there. What is the purpose of tabs? Tab is one of the component of any Microsoft software which contains a group of actions, group of commands. Okay. Tabs are used to group the commands, and each tab has a special name, and as per that name the commands are grouped there. Got it? लक्षात येते सर्वांच्या? What is the purpose of tab? Tabs are used to distinguish different command groups. Tabs are used to distinguish, separate the group of commands. Like here in this case, the home button is having separate groups like clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style group, and editing group. Such groups are there. How many groups are there in Home tab? This is a Home tab. Now I am opening Insert tab. You can see the change here. This is the Insert tab. This is the Page Layout tab. And each tab is having the related concerned options or group of commands. And that is called a group. The Home tab contains clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style group, and editing group. This is a group. These are the groups. And tabs. Then this total groups are called a ribbon. The combination of groups is totally known as ribbon. This one, from left to right, which is starting from clipboard group to the up to the editing group. This is called what? Ribbon. And ribbon contains various groups under the tab. Got it? So ribbon, tabs, quick access bar, group, office logo, title bar, these are the components. And the last one, there are two more options, components, that is view choice at the rightmost bottom corner, view choice from where, like this. So different three types of views are presented here, given there, by using which you can open your document for that purpose. Print layout view, then reading view, full screen view, then web layout view, etc. Then outline, then drafts, and zoom in, zoom out. Options are given there. Then a ruler. Rulers are also there. Okay. Presently, rulers are not displaying in my document. Yes, this is a ruler. What is ruler? What is the purpose of ruler? Ruler component? To insert the tabs, indents into your document to the fixed length, fixed measurement, and to measure the document. For that purpose, this ruler is given. Okay. To fix the size of page, etc. That can be done. Then two scroll bars are there. One is situated at right most side of the screen, and which is vertical one. This one, that is scroll bar. Okay, and one is situated at the bottom. Okay, if we make it more larger, that can be seen in this way. Horizontal one, left to right scrolling, and with the help of vertical scroll bar, we can move upward and downward. Got it? Anyone, any question? Yes. May I proceed ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is the home screen. And now also there is a information bar at the leftmost bottom corner, which is showing how many pages are there in this document, how many total words are there, and which language you are using is also shown here. Now we will discuss each and every tab in detail. As we discuss and learn every tab, we will get expert in MS Word processing. जसं आपण हे प्रत्येक टॅब पुढे शिकत जाऊ, तसं आपण या ज्या फीचर्स MS मायक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस 2007 न प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहेत त्यामध्ये आपण हळूहळू एक्सपर्ट होत जातो. माझी एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे, जर सर्वजण मोबाईलवर पाहत असतील, ऑल ऑफ यू आर लिसनिंग दिस लेक्चर ऑन मोबाईल, प्लीज use laptops or computers at your home to do the practice. एक केलं तर तुम्ही बरं होईल. At the same time you will get the practice also. Just by listening you cannot remember it and you cannot do this practice. Possible असेल तर तुमच्याकडे लॅपटॉप्स किंवा कॉम्प्युटर्स आणि त्या कॉम्प्युटरवरचे हे सॉफ्टवेअर MS ऑफिस 2007 किंवा जे असेल ते तुम्ही ओपन करा आणि इथे सांगितल्याप्रमाणे इथे तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करा. आणि काही अडचणी आल्या, इफ एनी difficulties, you can ask me at the same time. Got it? Hope all you have opened your laptops. Started. बरोबर आहे? आहेत तुमच्याकडे कॉम्प्युटर्स?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So now we will discuss one by one every tab. So first of all, we'll go through the MS Office 2010 Office Word. So there is one more option which is not there in Office 2007, that is file option. File option, which is not there in Office 2007. 2007 ऑफिस मध्ये हे ऑप्शन नाहीये जे की ऑफिस 2010 मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. ते की आहे कोणतं फाईल. एक बेसिक आहे, हे सर्वांना माहित असावं, लेटेस्ट वन आहे आणि याही पेक्षा ऍडव्हान्स 19 मध्ये ऑफिस 2019 मध्ये असतील. तर ते आपण आता इथं पहिल्यांदा पाहू. तर फर्स्ट जी टॅब आहे फाईल टॅब. द फर्स्ट टॅब इज फाईल टॅब. इफ आय क्लिक ऑन इट, it will show its options. What are the options? Save, save as, open, close, recent, new, print, save and send, help, options and exit. Such options or commands or actions are provided here under file tab. So we will discuss each and every command. Save. This is a save button. लक्ष देऊन ऐका. Save button is used to save the current document. So what is current document? The document which is currently opened on your screen. That is what current document. And that can be easily saved by clicking just on this option, save, or त्याही पेक्षा फास्ट just by clicking on save option here. This one and this one, both are same. Okay. The next option is what? Save as. What is the difference between save and save as? Anyone?
सेव्ह as मध्ये फोल्डर मध्ये सेव्ह होते आणि सेव्ह म्हणजे फक्त या डेस्कटॉप वर सेव्ह होते. म्हणजे सेव्ह मध्ये फोल्डर मध्ये सेव्ह होत नाही.
No, you are trying very good, but clear cut, a very small difference between save and save as is that with the help of save as, we can create create a new copy of the same document. That means
काहीतरी चेंजेस करून सेव्ह करण्यात आलं.
no. If you have made some changes, just click on save button. It will be automatically updated. But what is the save as? It is important one and maybe asked in the exam. So the save as button is used to create the copy of your document. Okay, now we will see. Suppose I click on home button. This is my file and I have made some changes here. Okay, anything. What I have to do? I have just added some text in my document. That's why I have to click on this save button, just or file and save. It is saved. It is updated in my document. Now, when I open this same document in future, this text will be added there. I will see this new updated. That is save. And what is save as? Now see, if I click on save as, it will open a save as window. Okay, it will open a save as window. This one, save as window. Now, what I have to do? If I assign the same name, Microsoft Word 2007 made easy. This is the name of my document. It will save as it is. And can it save? Suppose I click here on save option, which is hidden here under this. Sorry. If I click on this save button, can you see, which is at the rightmost bottom corner, and the name, file name is what? I have kept as it is. Microsoft Word 2007 made easy. This one. This is the name, and I'm not changing any folder. What is it? What it says? Microsoft Word is saying that you are about to save your document to one of the new file format. This action will allow you to use all the new features. Okay. Why it is showing? Because the document which is I have opened was created in Office 2007, and now I have opened it in Office 2010. That's why it is asking. Otherwise, if I will cancel this one, okay, and if I click on save button, it will ask you that the same copy is already existing in that folder. That cannot be saved. ही कॉपी ऑलरेडी तुमच्याकडे सेव्ड आहे, याच नावाने पुन्हा ती सेव्ह होऊ शकत नाही असं स्पष्ट तुम्हाला ती इंडिकेट करते. इट विल मेसेज यू दॅट द फाइल इज ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टिंग, सो यू हॅव टू चेंज द नेम. You can change the name of that file. That means save as is what? The same file can be saved at that location or at different location with different name. लक्षात आलं? What is the difference? Save and save as means we are creating a copy of the same document but with new name, नवीन नावानं. जसं की suppose I assign a new name coursework notes. Such a name I have assigned, and now I click on here. Now where is it going to save? It is going to save in local disk या coursework Science College Nanded folder. कुठे सेव्ह होत आहे? एफ ड्राईव्ह वर. कोणत्या फोल्डर मध्ये? कोर्सवर्क सायन्स कॉलेज नांदेड या फोल्डर मध्ये ही फाईल, तीच फाईल जी की काय होतं नाव तिचं? मायक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस मेड इझी, मायक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड 2007 मेड इझी असं नाव होतं तिला. दिस वन. आता त्याला नाव काय यायला लागले बघा? कोर्सवर्क notes, and the location is same. Now I am clicking on save. It is saved there. Now we will see in that location. Go to the my PC or this PC, click on F drive, find that coursework Science College Nanded folder, double click on it and see that file, coursework notes. If I open the file, the same document is there. Yes, this is the same. That means, what is this? This one is the copy of my original file with new name. What is that name? Coursework notes. Means with the help of save as, we can create a copy of document. That's all. Okay. बरोबर आहे ना?
Yes, sir.
Then open option. From the file tab, we are going to discuss open option. So as the name indicating, we can open a document by clicking on open. When to use? Generally what happens? We are opening the document first. That's why our Microsoft Word is already open. Okay. Sometimes what happens? Or maybe situation that you have opened a new document and again you want to open some different document from that point. जसं तुम्ही मायक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस ओपन केलंय, त्यामध्ये कुठलं तरी एखादं डॉक्युमेंट ओपन आहे, a document is already open there, but you don't want to see that document, you want some different one. At such situations, we can use open option. When I click on open, it will open a open window. It will open the open window. This is a open window. Now, one more thing you must know, which file you want to open and what is the path of that file. Two things. कोणती फाईल तुम्हाला ओपन करायची आहे, and the second thing is what? The path of that file must be known to you. Otherwise, you cannot open file. Otherwise, it will take time. Okay. Now, what is path? File कोणती ओपन करायची ते तुम्हाला माहित असू शकतं. You will remember that thing, but you cannot find the path. That's why that particular file cannot be opened. Now, what is exactly path? Path means what? On which drive you have created a folder and the name of that folder and the name of that file. That is called a path. Suppose I opened this PC, then I click on D:, and then I click on daily requirements, and then click on, suppose, MSc first, and then a file name assignment. This one means what? This one, D:, means D drive, :/ daily requirement is the name of my folder, which is situated at D:, and then MSc1 or first is the subfolder which is present in daily requirement, and the actual file, that is assignments word file, is present in MSc1. So this is the path. This is the path. You did not require to type it. तुम्हाला गरज नाही टाइप करायची फाईल ओपन करत असताना. समजा मला ही फाईल ओपन करायची आहे असाइनमेंट, कशी करणार मी? समजा मी हे ओपन केलेलं आहे, MS Word ओपन आहे. सपोज आय हॅव ओपनड. नाउ आय वांट टू दॅट ओपन दॅट फाईल. क्लिक ऑन फाईल, click on open, go to the location, where is my file? On D drive, select that D drive. What is the next folder? That is daily requirement. And what is the subfolder? MSc first, and that contains assignment. This one, open. It will be open. Assignment one is open. Got it? In this way, we can open a document with the help of option file present in file tab. What are the steps? Click on open. It will open an open window. Then give the path. And finally click on that particular file and click on open button. These are the steps ज्या की तुम्हाला परीक्षेत या पद्धतीने लिहाव्या लागतील. ठीक आहे? This is open option. Now then close. It will close. Okay. Close option will close the current document. Close option will close the current document. Or what is the difference between close and exit? Windows will not be closed. Office will not be shut. It will close that file, current file. And exit exit will exit word. Particularly, this is the difference. Close option current file ला क्लोज करेल, तर exit option MS Word मधून तुम्हाला बाहेर घेऊन येईल. It will totally close the MS Word. Which one? Exit. And close will close the current document. Got it? Just a minute. Then close info. Info that will provide information about the document. Permissions, repair. It will give the information about the document, that is properties, size, page, how many pages, words, total editing time, title, tags, comments, related dates, last modified कधी केली, create कधी केली, last print कधी केली, etc. That will be shown with the help of information. Recent is one of the options which will show a list of currently previously opened documents. This is similar to that of your call logo in mobile. तुमच्या मोबाईल मध्ये जो कॉल लोगो असतो तो काय दर्शवतो? करंटली आपण आतापर्यंत मागचे 30-40 कॉल कुणाला केले होते ते दाखवतो. लाईक दॅट दिस रिसेंट ऑप्शन command will show the list of all those documents which are currently open. It will show near about 20 documents. It will show near about 20 current documents. Okay. New option. New option is used to create a new document. If I click on new, it will open a new document window and ask for what kind of document you want to create. If your office is legal licensed one, it will provide all options. Otherwise, it will not show all these options. So what kind of document? These are the types of documents. You can study it as per your requirement. Generally, we need the blank document. That's why we click on blank document, double click or select that and click on create. Double click, it will open the new document. From where you can start your new document. What is the process to create a new document? Click on file, click on new, click on blank document and double click on it. Okay. It will open the new document. Then print. If you want to have a print copy, hard copy of your document, then use the print option, print command to print it. If we click on print command, it will open a print window. It will open a print window, print options. What are the fields present in print option? The print copies, how many copies want to that document, list of printers, out of that, which printer is attached to your machine, which printer is attached to your computer or laptop is to be selected from the list. Okay. The computer will show that printer only when if that printer is installed on your on your computer. Then and then it will show the in this list. Otherwise, that printer will not show. Okay. So separately, you have to install that printer on your computer. Here in this case, there are two printers which are installed on my laptop, that is Canon LBP 2900 and Canon MF 43205350. These two printers are there. Currently, I am not connected to any printer. That's why I cannot have any print. Then by selecting the printer, then provide the range of pages. How many pages? All pages, print all pages, print current only page. Then you can customize, that is print on one side, then collected, portrait of orientation or landscape, paper size. All that are options present here, which can you apply as per your requirement. Okay. Then finally click on print. One more option, that one is important, pages. You can specify the page number which you want to print. Suppose you want to print the first page, then third page, then seventh page, then eighth page. That can also be specified. Suppose 1, 3rd, 7, 9. Then the document or the MS Word will print only first, third, seventh, and ninth page only. In this way, you can provide the range, or you can also provide the range 1 to 20, 1 to 9, like that. In this way, also you can provide the range of pages to print it. Okay. So this is about print. And save and send. Save and send. These are the newly added options. That means this is in like that. Just you generally everyone is using your smartphones. That is get the picture and send it like that. Create the document and send it on email or Facebook or WhatsApp, anything. So that social medias are to be connected to your computer. Then you can send on that media. Send using email, save to the web page, save to the SharePoint, publish as blog post. Okay, these are the options provided here. And help will provide the help about the MS Word. Exit will exit. So these are the options or commands present in File tab. This is the File tab. Which one is the first tab? We have just discussed now. Hope you have got the information from me, which I have with me. I have given you. If anyone has any question, you can ask. So in case regarding to the save as option, some scholars have given the answer. We can change its location, and save as allows us what name it will be saved and where it will be saved. So I hope you have got the answer of this question, and your ideas are now clear for what is the purpose of save as. Anyone question?
सर न्यू वर्जन मध्ये मॉडिफाय का केला आहे लोगोला?
Modify का केलं? It is the policy of software company that they decide what is to be presented to the user, that is stakeholders or end users. As per their policy, they have removed it from this software.
सर आधीच्या दोन
Otherwise,
हजार आठ मध्ये
otherwise that logo will indicate, it will just add of its company. Except that there is nothing, no meaning of that logo. What is the indication of logo? What is the indication of logo? What is the purpose of logo? To add your company. And now they are thinking that this one is not important. This is the policy of company, software company. Okay.
yes sir.
And please ask some technical questions. Don't go through such questions which are not important for us. Any more? So after a one break of 10 to 7 minutes, we will continue. Please don't go anywhere. Please join the class after 7 to 10 minutes. We will discuss the home tab in detail along with the all groups and group commands. Okay, with practical. Okay, so I will get some have some break, and we after 7 minutes or 10 minutes we will continue. Don't go anywhere. So once again, we are connected here, and we will continue the tabs. The first tab file is completed here. The second one, home tab, is to be discussed. As I have told you, the home screen contains title bar, quick access bar, tabs, then ribbon contains groups, then your working area, scroll bars, vertical bar, horizontal bar, view options, and the information regarding documents is presented on the home screen. The home tab number 2nd, and in case of Office 2007, the first tab is home. The home tab is provides a ribbon with different groups. That groups are clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing. In our case, when I am the student for PhD coursework, I have remembered all these tabs along with groups and options, all tabs along with all groups and along with all options I have remembered. It's a very hard one. By practice, you can also remember, but while attending the coursework, we are not getting that much practice. That's why we cannot remember. So one of the way, you have to practice it, remember it. If a question is asked now, explain home tab in detail of MS Word, what will you do? You must remember all these options. That's why remember it. So the home tab is providing us the clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style, and edit. Such a 5 groups are there in home tab. The first group is clipboard group, and currently it is showing the 4 options, that is paste, cut, copy, and format printer. Such a 4 options or commands in this group are shown. What is the use of cut? To cut any object, any text, any word, any image. That purpose cut is used. Okay. Cut is not similar to that of your delete. Delete is separate one, and delete option is generally not present in MS Word. Okay. MS Word मध्ये delete हे option कुठेही नाही. Cut हे option आहे. By using cut, you can cut the text from that location or position. For example, suppose I selected education and I want to cut it. How to cut? By pressing the left mouse button, click right button of the mouse and click on cut. Or use this one, underline, that is Ctrl+T option. Select and Ctrl+T. It will be cut. Okay. Cut. It will cut the text. Or if you select any object, that will be cut with the help of cut option. Okay. Then copy option. It will not cut. It will copy. It will, what is copy? Technically, if you want to listen, I can explain. I would like to explain it. What is copy? Means actually it is here on this document, this text, and I want to copy. When I click on it, right click button and click on copy option, what happened? Nothing is done. No more. What is the action of computer? Computer will copy that text into its buffer. Computer will copy that document matter into its temporary memory, that is called a buffer memory in it. And when I use the paste option, this one, it will paste that document or component or text from that buffer to that location in the document. Suppose I want to copy that education here at this location. Right click and paste option. Keep source formatting, merge formatting and use. Keep text only. Education is copied here. Or just Control V, that is shortcut key, can be used. In this way, cut, copy and paste is used. Maybe asked in question that how to use cut, copy and paste. In this advanced version, there are various options of the cut. That is, this one, keep source formatting, then merge formatting and keep text only. Keep source formatting means what? What is source? Source means that text which you have copied and keep it for formatting. Use it for formatting. Merge formatting means what? Wherever you are copying, pasting that text, that will be merged with its remaining text. ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्ट टेक्स्ट जे आहे त्याच्यासारखं त्याला मर्ज करून दे, त्याच्यासोबत सर्व फॉर्मॅट त्याला अप्लाय करतात. अँड कीप टेक्स्ट ओनली मीन्स व्हॉट? इट विल जस्ट कॉपी or just use Control V. Just use Control V. In this way, you can copy. Okay. So the clipboard option is providing us cut, copy, and paste. 3 options along with one more option that is format painter. Okay. What is the use of format painter? To apply the existing formatting to the newly inserted text. This format painter option is used. This brush is providing us to apply more than one effects or formatting to the newly entered text. What is it? Suppose I want to copy the formatting of this line to this library. This line. I want to apply the formatting of this line to this line. What I have to do? Just click, select that line, right click and select on format painter. Okay. Now you will see a brush with your mouse cursor. Now go to that line where you want to apply that and drag on that line. See the change. See the change. What is the change? Anyone? Have you seen the change? तुम्ही पाहिलात का बदल काय झाला?
सेम फॉन्ट साइज.
मीन्स व्हॉट? या लाईनला जे फॉर्मॅट केलं होतं तेच फॉर्मॅटिंग या पुढच्या लाईनला लागलं. असं बऱ्याचदा तुम्हाला तुमच्या थिसिस मध्ये लागतं. इट विल रिक्वायर मेनी टाइम्स इन युअर thesis writing. The previous paragraph formatting are to be applied to the newly entered formatting. What is the purpose? To apply the multiple formattings of the previously paragraph to the newly entered paragraph or text. It will save our time. It will save our time. Got it? Let me check. I think my mic is not, it's not mute. Are you listening?
Yes, sir, listen.
Someone is asking me, is it my mouse is mute or mic is mute or not? It's, you can see on the screen, this one is my mic. This is not mute. Okay. So this is the use of format painter. Here we have completed one of the group of home tab on this ribbon, home ribbon. Now we move towards the next group, that is font. That is font one. This font group contains font type, font size, then increase the font size, decrease the font size, then change case, that is small case or uppercase, then clear formatting, whatever you have applied that will be clear, then bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, super subscript, etc. Are these options are here in this font group that can be used to make our document more effective, more readable, and to give the importance to specific words, to assign the importance, significance of the paragraph, line, text by applying bold, italic, underline, strike through, okay, making capital, making small letters, that can be applied to the text. So what are the options? What are the commands? That is, this one is what? Font. What is this one? This is font size. What is this one? Case, grow font, then shrink font. Text highlighting, the highlighter pen copies, the same can be done with highlighter, and font colors. These are the options or commands. Now we will see everyone. If I click on the down arrow keys present in these commands, it will show the list of all fonts present in my computer. Okay. Generally, we use the Times New Roman font. Times New Roman font is the official font generally used in any offices. The standard font size is 12, and smallest size is what? 8, and largest one is 72. Smallest is 8. How to apply? How to apply the font type and font size? Suppose interesting one to you. Suppose I selected this one and click on it. It will change the font type. Then I want to change font size. It's font type. Now font size. It is, suppose I want to keep it as 24. That can be changed. As per your requirement, you can use font type and font size for changing type and size of the text in your document. Okay, then select the line to which you want to increase it and click on the increase or gross font. In this way also, or decrease or shrink. Okay. Then suppose I want to make all that capital one. Click on the then uppercase. It will convert, translate to the upper one. I want it to lowercase, or as it is. Control Z. In this way, we can apply. Okay. Then change, clear the formatting. Clear formatting. Whatever you have applied, that can be removed. Then bold. The specific words, importance of the sentence, importance of that word can be bold one. So use it. Select the text by right clicking, left mouse button, select the text and apply it. Bold, italic, underline can be same, everyone, all these. I have made it bold, now italic, then everyone, bold, italic and underline. All three are applied here. Only bold, suppose I want to make it bold. I want to make this one italic. I want to make it underline. Okay. In this way, we can apply bold, italic, and underline formats to the text. Okay. Then strike through. A line will be drawn like this. How to do it? Do you understand? समजते सर्वांना? Okay. Then subscript, super subscript, chemistry, mathematics, those scholars are requiring this one. So you can use for formulas, expressions that can be useful. That in that cases it is useful. Suppose I want first. So the ST will be on the head of this first. So make it like that. How I have done? Just type that ST, select that ST and click on super subscript. Suppose I want to it at the bottom. So click on subscript. Okay. In this way, we can use subscript, super subscript. Then text effects. Click on the arrow and see. Suppose this is the heading. Generally, effects are applied to the heading. So such type of changes, effects will be given. As per your interest, you can apply. But while writing the thesis, don't use such special effects. It will be simple and sober. कसं असलं पाहिजे? सिंपल सोबर. त्याचा एक ऑर्डिनन्स आहे जे तुम्हाला पुरवलं जाईल किंवा तुमचे गाईड तुम्हाला त्यावेळेस ते सांगतील. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर font color. You can change the color as per your requirement from this color palette. Color palette is opened by using what? Clicking on font color option. There is the color palette from where you can select any color. Okay. In this way, we can apply font group options to our text. Clear? Anyone? The same options are also shown here in this format window. How I have opened it? I have opened it by clicking on this arrow, which is provided at the bottom right corner of that font group. From where you can also apply these fonts. And also you can see its changes here. Okay. काही विचारायचं असेल तर याच्यावर विचारू शकता.
No, sir.
ओके. समजलं सर्वांना?
Yes.
Now we will discuss paragraph and then we will stop this session. So the next group of this ribbon home tab is paragraph. Now, if we see the difference between font and paragraph, font are generally applied to the text. Font formatting is generally applied to the text or line. But when you have to format the paragraph, then paragraph formatting is used, and there are some special paragraph formatting, particularly alignments, that is left, center, right, and justify. These are important ones. Then bullets are there, and then some line spacing, line and paragraph spacing, then line spacing, decrease indent, and the increase indent. And what is this? This is the sorting. And this is what? Your bottom border sign. These are some borders and colors. Shadings can be applied. So what are the options present in paragraph? That is bullets, numbering, multi-level list, increase or decrease indent, then sorting, paragraph, okay, then left align, center align, right align, justification, justify, then list, that is line and paragraph spacing. I will show you coloring to the color to the paragraph and borders. Such group options are there in paragraph. Okay. Now we will see one by one each one. Suppose I select all this paragraph. It is not formatted anyway. That's why I have chosen, and select the bullets. There are some samples from where I select this one. The bullets are assigned. Okay. In this way, you can assign or apply any bullet. Then numbering. Suppose I want to number. Select that paragraph and assign the number. There are types of numbering. Suppose I want this type. Brackets are aligned. Now, suppose I want to this one. First one is R and other are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose like this. You can apply any numbering. When to use numbering? When to use bullets? The main points of your thesis or research papers can be shown by bullets. When to use numbering? Suppose a point is there and which is having subpoints and subpoints and subpoints, then you can use numbering. And this multi-level listing. Okay, numbers and multi-level listings are used for subpoints, indication. Suppose this one is the first point, and the syllabus is containing paper 2, that is 1.1. Then section 2 is 1.2. For these purposes, these listings, that is multi-level listing is used. Okay. Now, it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not showing sub-listing. Why? Because it is not showing the sub-listing. Its reason is that we have applied the same formatting to every line. That's why it is not showing. As per your requirement, when you are writing your research paper or thesis, at that time, you can easily assign like this. And once you assign it, just when you just click on enter button, it will be automatically assigned to your paragraph. By just clicking on enter button entry, it will be assigned to your document. Don't worry. Okay. Then decrease the indent. Indent means what? This tabs. Now tab is not set here anywhere. Suppose I put a tab, that is called an indent. If you look at the difference, look at my cursor pointer, first line indent. Okay, it is at 0 position. Suppose I press tab button, what is the change? It is at 5 spaces, after 5 spaces. That can be set or increased. Suppose I click on here. Sorry, we have to select it. Okay, increase or decrease in this way. Oh, then sorting. Alphabet or ascending or descending order may sort can be done. I think you know what is sorting. It will arrange the lines or points in ascending or descending order. Suppose in this case, suppose I apply paragraph text, short text is there, a complete paragraph, then header and row, ascending or descending. Suppose I want it in descending. Lines are not indented. the bullets will be arranged in alphabets and in alphabetically or ascending or descending order. Okay. Then alignment. Left, align text to the left side. By default, it is aligned to the left side. Then center, it will be centered. See this effect. Then right, it is right. And suppose I click on left and then right, no change. In this case, we can see the alignment right distribution. It is also not there. Suppose I will show you that effect. What is justification? Okay. So this is a one paragraph which is not justified now, and I want to justify. Justify means what? A tab is there, yes. Then if you look at the right side of these all sentences, it is not proper. If I select that paragraph and click on justify, see the effect. Now it is a complete best looking paragraph. In this way, you can justify your paragraph. Okay. Now, suppose there are these two paragraphs. This one and this one. This one also. These are two paragraphs, and I have also justified both. Okay. And if you look, the space between these two paragraphs from here to here, and this is the second paragraph, there is no space. Suppose I want some space between these two paragraphs, then line and paragraph spacing can be decided. Currently it is 1.0. I want it to make it 1.50. You can see the change. This is the 1.01, then 1.15, 1.5. See the difference. Okay. This is the paragraph spacing. Line and paragraph spacing. Okay. Clear? In this way, we can increase or decrease the line space between lines of the paragraph, and also apply the different shades to your paragraph. A color palette will be open. Currently no color. Suppose I select this one, add to the background. These colors are applied. And I want to make the borders by paragraph 5. So it can be applied. It is currently no border. No border. In this way, we can apply. So this is a paragraph group having the bullets, numbers, increase and decrease indent, sorting, paragraph, left, center, right, justification, then line spacing, then paragraph coloring and border option in paragraph group. Okay. Anyone, any question? Any question? Okay, thank you. So today we have seen file and home tabs. Out of that, file tab is completely seen. Then home tab we have discussed along with clipboard and font group. Tomorrow or in the next session, we will discuss the style and editing group. Okay. And the next tab is insert tab. Okay. So today we will stop here. If Marathi sir is listening there, I would like to request him that to close today's session. Marathi sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हा बहुतेक सर झालं ना दुवे सर. हॅलो हॅलो आवाज येतोय सतीश आशिष.
हो सर येत आहे.
ओके ओके
मी माझं माईक म्यूट केलं होतं.
ओके 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 sir, thank you very much for sparing your valuable time for our student, and if possible please send
Assignment.
certain assignment for our students.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much sir.
Welcome.
Okay, so dear participants, we will meet at tomorrow morning session at 11 AM. Okay, if you have any difficulties please ask. तुम्हाला काही डिफिकल्टीज असतील तर विचारा मुलांना.
नाही म्हटलं त्यांनी काही.
नाही का? बरं काहीच हरकत नाही. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर गणेश